Hi guys, I'm down here by my car. I have a few minutes to do something. I don't really have time to repair something serious, but I have a few minutes and I like to go down and just do something small. The first thing I do today is taking out the old gas from the fuel tank. It smells really bad, and I saw already that old fuel can damage the fuel lines and the seals and maybe the fuel pump, and I don't really want that. That's why I just take all the old fuel out of the car, then put new one in. And the second thing, I was putting paint remover to the tail lights, that I have the full reflector again, like it was from factory. And I just thought I'm motivated to do that. I told you I will clean the reflector stripe and take the paint away. And I did, and it worked, but the reflector was not in a really good condition. It was kind of light, like the plastic was not good anymore. So maybe it was from the paint or from the paint remover, I don't exactly know. But I had to sand them, and now I was putting some sun protection on it. And now they look pretty nice. I'm really happy now how it came out, and looks pretty good. I took this sun protection from the headlight restoration kit from Maguire's, and so I think now it's great. There's another day. I have a few minutes to work on the car. I cannot do major repairs because I'm still waiting for parts like brakes and belts and whatever. But I can do a lot of small things. Yesterday I checked if the lights are working, and the headlights didn't work because there was some cable broken, and the stop lights didn't work. That was the easy thing. I had to remove the brake light switch, disassemble, clean everything, put together, and now the brake lights work. And what's more, yeah, I noticed I have European style tail lights. I will show you. I don't like that. I will for sure do US spec tail lights. It just looks better. I don't know. What's more, yeah, I will show you some small repairs I did. First of all, I have a European style battery with European connectors. That's what they made some adapter back then. I have a new bracket here, some cables I made new from the relays, and that's about it here. On the inside, I was cleaning away some cables there. At this moment, it was a good opportunity, but I still need to clean up everything. Here I found the control module for I think it's for the ignition, but I cannot find anything with these numbers. It's crazy. I don't know if you know where I can get it, but I cannot found nothing. So it will be a challenge to replace that. Let's go to the back. Here you can see I was cleaning the tail lights, the reflectors, and now they look pretty good. But like you see here already, I didn't notice that is European specs tail lights. I can show you how it looks when you put the direction light in. So it's like that. I don't know. It's just ugly. This I will change back to the US style for sure. But for today, I need to repair something on the wipers. they work, but they don't stop again. If you look here, if I start the wipers, they work, and even the pump, even that one works. There's no water in it, but even that works. That's really cool. But they don't stop. If I put to off, now they work. That's strange. Now they are on off. Now sometimes they don't stop working. If I put to pulse, they do that. If I put to off, they start again. That's so cool that this works. But yeah, it would be nice if they stop. Okay. I will check that and try to repair. So let's take a look. The wipers, I don't really know. I checked some things on the motor and everything seems to be good, but I just make a quick check. And now I took out the wiper switch and checking this one out, and it also looks not bad, but there's some dirt in it. It's some dirty old fat, and I will clean all that and then put together again and look if that solved the problem already. I was cleaning the wiper switch. It seemed to be good, and it's still working like before, but I noticed a very interesting thing. So my problem is here. Everything works normal. This works normal. The high and the low also, but when I go to the off position, it doesn't stop. So, and now I was checking something on the motor, and accidentally I saw when I take this blue cable off, it goes to the park then. The blue cable is still off, and I can switch it on. This works. Normal wiper works. And if I go back to off, it goes to the park. Also that works. And go back to off. So right now I just let the cable unplugged, but may somebody of you can tell me why this blue cable is there and why it works like normal when I plug it, unplug it. Yeah? May you have an idea. Would be nice. Thank you very much. I just put everything together now. For me, this topic is done. I just want to show you how you can waste almost the whole day and on a car like this. Like you know, I checked the wiper switch, and now I had the idea to put everything together, but I saw that the oil pressure gauge doesn't work. It's like on maximum all the time. And I tried to find out what it is and where's the problem. And the biggest problem, I couldn't find a pressure sender, oil pressure sender. I didn't found it. I'm pretty sure it should be located near the oil filter. somewhere here. I don't know if I can. Yeah, it should be there. But there's just none. Okay, and that's why first I tried to find that pressure sender, oil pressure sender, but I didn't found, and I was looking and looking, and I thought it can't be that there's none, but I just didn't found. And now I decided to even take a new cable or a new wire from here. Like this tan is the original wire, and the yellow now is my wire, and I will put that wire or take it to the engine bay like here, and then go with that wire to there and just order a new oil pressure sender. So, and that's how I waste my day. Right now I'm changing all the bulbs from the gauge. This one's here. I will replace all them and also this ones, and then put everything together. So, and that basically takes, yeah, a complete afternoon. I'm really done for today now. Everything back together in the inside, new bulbs in it. I also have a new wire now going from the oil pressure gauge to that side of the car there. It comes out here, goes to that side right here. Now when I get an oil pressure sensor, I can just hook it up and it's done. I also have now this cable here from the inside. It has ignition or accessory hot that I can do daytime running lights sometimes. You need to have light in Switzerland through the whole day, and that's why I want to do an additional light, that I don't use the normal lights all day. What's more, I found some interesting vacuum or whatever thing here, and this hose goes to nowhere. I need to look where I need to hook it up, but this later. For today, like I said, I'm done. We can go to the inside and take a look. So, all back together. I found the switch here. This one, it's not used, and I will use that one for the daytime running lights. Good. Whoop. So, it's so much work, you know, it's all that small things that takes hours and hours and hours, and then at the end of the day, like nothing is done, but it has to be also. So, I hope it was interesting and not a lot of stuff I did, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time, bye bye.